Hey there! Today I have a Stitchfix box to unbox. And yeah, it feels like it's been a long time since I got my last Stitchfix box. And to be honest, I've had to extend the checkout date a couple times for this box because it's been so busy. And you know, with Thanksgiving and working full time now and the holidays coming up, it's been a little crazy. But anyway, I'm excited to see what's in my Stitchfix because yeah, it's been a while. So let's see what I got. Okay, and the box this time is just kind of a smaller size box, but it feels like it's pretty full. So hopefully it's filled with good stuff. Okay, so here's what my box looks like inside. There's a prepaid mailer and my packet of information. And here's my bundle. And here's the other side. It looks pretty promising. Let's take a look at the style card. And yay, my stylist is Holly, and she's my stylist that I've had for a long time. I would say almost 2 years, yeah. And it looks pretty promising. So I'm gonna go ahead and read my note, and I'll scan it and put it up above so you can read it too if you want to. Okay, so it sounds like it's gonna be a pretty good fix. So let's see what Holly sent me. Okay, so first off, is a top, and this is by Fun to Fun, and it's a size medium, and it's the Maley pleated detail top, and it's $48. Okay, so here it is, and it is very pretty. I don't know though, because I don't really like to iron, and it does look like it's kind of wrinkly. So, but it's pretty. I have another top that's kind of similar. I don't know if it's Fun to Fun, but it's really pretty, but I never wear it because I don't like to iron. I'm lazy. But anyway, very pretty top, and I have two furry friends right here, so I'll keep the clothes on this side. Okay, next, ooh, pretty. So this is a dress, and it's a shirt dress, and it's by 41 Hawthorn. It's the Acacia shirt dress in teal green, size medium, and this is $68. Yeah, so that's about what I guess a nice Stitch Fix dress will run you, but it is very, very pretty, and it's kind of a different print. I don't have anything like it. You know, I have like a million floral dresses, so this is a nice change. Okay, on next, okay, it's a top. And this is by Collective Concepts. It's in a size medium petite, and this is the Sarkise button detail blouse, and this is $58. So yeah, not cheap, but it is nice. It's kind of, it looks like it's navy with this really kind of a, what is that? It's not really a floral, it's an interesting print. Geometric? I don't know. So yeah, and it just has, it's not really, just, I'm not sure what you call these sleeves. They're not, oh, you know what? These are tab sleeves. They do roll up. So I guess I need to roll them. But yeah, this is cute. And next, okay, it's another top. Ooh, this is very pretty. It's by Calvin Klein, and this is the Calvin Klein Suit Separates Karrigan lace knit top in black, size medium petite. See how pretty this is? That's gorgeous. And it is $58. Holly's sending me a lot of kind of expensive tops, but I do like this. It's really pretty. I'm wondering how I would wear this. It's contrasting. I like it. And lastly, okay, here are the jeans she was talking about, and these are purple jeans. So can you see the color? She said it was purple. They're very dark burgundy, and they're by Liverpool, which is one of my favorite brands for jeans, and I know they're pricey though. Size 6 petite, and these are the Cadence skinny jeans, and I don't think I've ever tried this Cadence skinny jean. They're $88. So yeah, they are pricey. They're kind of a heavy feeling jean, and they do have a good amount of stretch. Since they're a petite, I'm hoping that the length will be just right, because that's always kind of an issue for me. A lot of times the jeans can be too long and I'll have to get them hemmed. But yeah, these are nice. I like these. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Stitchfix box this month. So now I'm gonna go and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the Calvin Klein top. And you know, this is just a very, very basic, pretty, I think it's classic and classy top. I'm not sure if I could find it somewhere cheaper, to be honest, but it is so nice. It's lined, and it has this lace overlay, and it's just nice. I mean, I really like this. So yeah, I don't know, and I like how the sleeves, I used to have a ton of these kind of lace blouses, maybe like 5 years ago, to be honest. Yeah, and then I just paired it according to the style card with some jeans, and these are the Spanx jeggings that I got from Transcend, and I really love these. I wear them a lot. They're so comfortable. Yeah, and then my shoes, I just kind of followed the style card, and these are just some Cole Haans. And I added a purse, and this is actually Kate Spade. I got it at the outlet, and it's going to be for my younger daughter's Christmas present. But yeah, I don't know if she watches all my videos anyway. But yeah, so very nice. I don't know, $58 though, kind of high. Okay, so here is the market. Oh, what is this? Okay, so here is the Collective Concepts top, and you know, I really like this top. It's really cute. I like the shape. It's flowy. The only thing, and I'm not really sure about, is the tab sleeves. It looks like it's supposed to have buttons here, but there's just like loose threads. So I'm not sure if somebody took the buttons off. That'd be weird. Because yeah, there's tabs, and it seems like they're... Okay, so here is the Fun to Fun blouse, and it's really cute. Sammy is barking, and I don't know why. I think that she thinks there's something under the oven. But I'm not gonna get my white pants dirty to go fetch something under the oven. I'm not sure what's there. But anyway, okay, so it's just like a really nice print. I think it's subtle. It's a cream color navy print with black and beige. And in the style card, she had it paired with some white jeans. So I thought, I don't know if that's gonna go, but surprisingly it does. It looks really nice, I think. I wouldn't have paired it, so that's why I like to try to go with the style card. And then also in the style card, she had it with a denim jacket. Okay, and here is the outfit with the denim jacket. And yeah, I think this looks really cute. This is actually a very nice combination, I think, that I probably wouldn't have done myself. Okay, so now here are the purple Liverpool jeans. And wow, Liverpool is, I think, a brand that is really consistent with their sizing, because seems like I'm pretty consistently a 6 petite. And yeah, I think with these, the length, everything, the fit is just right. These are not high rises. These seem to be more on the mid rise, but that's fine. I don't mind that. And they're kind of thicker stretchy material. And I have them paired with this very bright sweater that I got from Amazon. But I kind of like this sweater. Yeah, so it's just like the style card. So purple jeans, super colorful striped sweater, white sneakers, and she also has it with a denim jacket. And this is my, again, cut from the cloth denim jacket, medium petite, and I actually just ordered from Nordstrom a lighter wash, like a medium wash actually. And The Kate Spade outlet haul continues, and here's like a little backpack. This is going to be a gift to one of my nieces probably. So here you go. The purple Liverpool jeans, styled according to the style card. Okay, so lastly, I have the dress from 41 Hawthorn, and wow, I really like this dress. It's not my usual. I like knit dresses usually, but this one is nice, and all that has is elastic. I don't know. I like the loose, flowy look, but I think this looks cute, and I think the elastic kind of maybe gives it more shape, and it is a very different print than my usual. And it has these little tab sleeves, which I think are cute. And yeah, the length is just right. Yeah, I really like this. It's something different. And I styled it according to the style card with these kind of strappy looking shoes. Oh, and you can throw on a denim jacket. I only have my one right now, but even okay. And here is styled with a denim jacket. So yeah, I think this is a really cute dress. I really like it. And I do love dresses. Dresses are really my go-to. So, very good. Tough decisions. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Stitchfix box this month. And wow, I was actually really impressed. I mean, to be honest, although there wasn't a lot of color in this fix, but I just think everything looked really nice. And I think what makes it even nicer is when you use the style cards to style everything. And for me, I think that really helps because yeah, some of the pieces that she put together I probably wouldn't have done, but these are really great that it does give you a lot of ideas. And this is something that is unique to Stitch Fix because we don't get this from the other styling services. But yeah, I think this is really, really good. Okay, so let's go over the fun part, or the not so fun part, I guess, going over the invoice. And by the way, this is fix number 23 for me. That's a lot. So anyway, the total for the box before discount is $320. So that is actually kind of an expensive fix for me. Usually mine are less than that. Considerably less. The buy all discount of 25% would take off $80, and my subtotal would be $240 if I bought all 5. So $240 for 5 items of clothing. That's about a little under $50 per item. So for me, that's actually kind of high. I think I'll probably not be keeping all 5. I do have some items that I have very similar things of, like I really did like these Liverpool jeans, but they were $88, so that's kind of pricey. And I have, although I do love these, I have some similar colored jeans. I think I have a cut from the cloth one, and I also have a Kenzie kind of burgundy colored jeggings that I got from, I think it was from Wantable. So I think I'll be passing on these, even though they are beautiful and they fit really nicely. And also, like, I really like this top and I love the way it looked with the white jeans. But I do also have some similar type of tops, and I think they're even from that same Fun to Fun brand in this material. And I know once I wash it, it's gonna wrinkle, and yeah, so I'm probably gonna pass on this too. But maybe I'll try those other tops that I have with some white jeans. So that was a great idea. So that just leaves these 3. Like this top, I actually really love this top. It was super cute, easy to wear. But I'm just not so sure about the sleeves. I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be buttons on this. So yeah, I don't know. I'm probably gonna just send this back. I think there might be either a defect with this, or maybe, I don't know if somebody might have taken the buttons off. But yeah, although it was really cute. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, so I really did like this dress. And I think it's really cute, so we'll see. This is a really cute dress and different from any of my other dresses. And lastly, I really did like this top too. I think this was really pretty. So we'll see. And it's just so classic. But anyway, let me know what you thought of the clothes and what items were your favorites. Not sure what I'll be keeping this time, although I did think Holly did a really good job. And you know, I am very thankful that Holly is my stylist because you know, she always does a great job, honestly, and she sends me things that I wouldn't necessarily pick for myself, and just trying different things has really helped me grow I think in terms of my sense of style. So yeah, so I really appreciate it. But anyway, I guess that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.